Are you looking for natural bodybuilding motivation to help you stay focused on your fitness goals? Well, you've come to the right place because today, I'm going to be sharing some powerful motivation. When it comes to natural bodybuilding, there are no shortcuts or quick fixes. It's all about putting in the hard work and dedication to sculpt your body naturally. One of the biggest motivations for natural bodybuilding is the sense of accomplishment that comes from achieving your goals through your own efforts. Unlike those who rely on performance-enhancing substances, you can be proud of the results you achieve through discipline and determination. Another great motivation for natural bodybuilding is the challenge it presents. By choosing to go down the natural route, you're pushing yourself to see what you're truly capable of. It's about constantly striving for improvement and becoming the best version of yourself. Natural bodybuilding also promotes long-term health and longevity. You're not only building muscle, but also improving your cardiovascular health and overall fitness level. And let's not forget about the mental benefits of natural bodybuilding. It can be a great stress reliever and a way to channel your energy and focus towards something positive. When you see the progress you're making, it boosts your confidence and self-esteem. One of the best ways to stay motivated in natural bodybuilding is by setting realistic and achievable goals. Break them down into smaller milestones that you can celebrate along the way. Surround yourself with a supportive community of fellow natural bodybuilders who can provide inspiration and accountability. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and progress may take time, but as long as you're consistent, you will see results. Don't compare yourself to others, focus on your own progress and journey. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small, as it's a step towards your ultimate goal. Stay disciplined and committed to your training and nutrition, even when motivation is low. Remember why you started in the first place and keep pushing through any challenges that come your way. Natural bodybuilding is not just about physical appearance, it's a lifestyle and a mindset. It's about taking care of your body, nourishing it with wholesome foods, and training with intent. Believe in yourself and your capabilities, because with hard work and dedication, anything is possible in natural bodybuilding.